Hey guys, so Xiaomi's female-focused Civi series is going to get a new member pretty soon. The new smartphone will be called Xiaomi Civi 3. Xiaomi Civi series smartphones are a combination of beautiful design, good cameras and powerful hardware, and the Xiaomi Civi 3 would be no exception. The device has now appeared on Geekbench revealing its powerful hardware. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultra SoC, which offers nearly flagship level performance, and the Geekbench listing also tells the same story. It got 1148 points in single-core test and 3356 points in multi-core test, which is quite impressive. The Dimensity 8200 Ultra is developed by MediaTek in collaboration with Xiaomi. It is built on TSMC's 4nm process. It has 4 ARM Cortex-A78 cores and 4 Cortex-A55 cores, resulting in a powerful chipset that achieves an impressive score of 900,000 on AnTuTu. The rest of the specifications are quite impressive too, which includes a 50 megapixel camera with Sony IMX800 lens. The lens supports optical image stabilization and will take excellent photos. The front will house 32 megapixel dual cameras placed inside a pill-shaped cutout. It is likely to retain the same 6.5-inch OLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The device may get its power from a 5000 mAh battery with 67W fast charging support. It will come with up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, and it is expected to launch on May 30 in China. So that's all we know about the Xiaomi Civi 3, and what you guys think about this, do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you like this video then please subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.